Chickens love to take dust baths. It's so much fun to watch them. They flap their wings and wiggle around in the dirt. Dust baths are not just for fun though. They are very important for chickens to stay healthy. Dust baths help chickens stay clean and healthy. They are a natural way for chickens to get rid of dirt and bugs. Dust baths help keep chickens cool on hot days. When the temperature rises, chickens can struggle to regulate their body heat. By rolling in the dust, they can lower their body temperature and find relief from the scorching sun. Have you ever seen a chicken panting on a hot day? This is a sign that they are overheating and need to cool down. Dust baths provide a natural way for them to do this. The dust bath helps cool their skin. As the dust settles on their feathers and skin, it absorbs excess moisture and heat, providing a cooling effect. Dust baths also help get rid of mites and lice. These tiny parasites can cause significant discomfort and health issues for chickens if not managed properly. Mites and lice are tiny bugs that can live on chickens. They hide in the feathers and skin, feeding on the chicken's blood and causing irritation. They can make chickens itchy and uncomfortable. This constant irritation can lead to stress and even feather loss if not addressed. Dust baths help keep their feathers healthy. By removing parasites and excess oil, dust baths ensure that chickens maintain their plumage in top condition. Feathers protect chickens and keep them warm. Healthy feathers are essential for insulation and protection against the elements. Dust baths help remove dirt and old feathers. This natural grooming behavior is crucial for their overall well-being, ensuring they stay clean and comfortable. You don't need anything fancy to make a dust bath for your chickens. A dust bath is essential for their health and happiness. Here are some things you can use. First, you'll need a container. A large tub or basin works perfectly, and then you'll need some materials to fill it. Wood ashes, dry dirt, sand, and diatomaceous earth are all great options. This combination helps get rid of mites and lice, which can be a real nuisance for your chickens. You can also add some dried herbs to your chicken's dust bath. This not only smells great but also has additional benefits. Herbs like lavender, mint, and rosemary smell good and can help keep bugs away. Plus, they add a touch of luxury to your chicken's routine. So gather your materials and give your chickens the spa treatment they deserve. Happy dust bathing! Section 4. Building a dust bath for your chickens. Dust baths are essential for chickens to keep their feathers clean and free from parasites. They love to roll around in the dust, which helps them stay healthy and happy. Now that you have all your materials, let's build a dust bath. You'll need a tub or basin, some sand, wood ash, and diatomaceous earth. These materials help to keep your chicken's feathers in top condition. First, find a shady spot in your chicken run. Chickens enjoy dust bathing in a cool, shaded area, especially during hot days. You don't want your chickens to get too hot while they're taking a dust bath. The shade will keep them comfortable and encourage them to use the dust bath more often. Next, place your tub or basin in the shady spot. Make sure it's stable and won't tip over when the chickens jump in. Then, fill the tub with your dust bath mixture. Start with a base layer of sand, then add wood ash and diatomaceous earth. Mix them well to create a fine powdery texture. You can use any combination of the materials we talked about earlier. Some people also like to add a bit of soil or dried herbs for extra benefits. Make sure the dust bath is deep enough for your chickens to really dig in. They should be able to cover themselves completely in the dust. Your chickens will love their new dust bath. It's a simple project that makes a big difference in their daily routine and overall health. Enjoy watching them have fun. Section 5. Let's see your chickens enjoy their dust baths. Now that you know how to build a dust bath for your chickens, it's time to put your skills to the test. Remember, a happy chicken is a healthy chicken. And a healthy chicken means lots of delicious eggs for you. Share pictures of your chickens enjoying their dust baths. We would love to see them.